Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to increase font size in Outlook app. Friends, while composing a email, if you want to increase the text size or want to make any text bold in your Outlook app, then you simply need to open Outlook app on your mobile phone and here press on the compose button to compose a email. Now I will compose a small email. Now I have composed the email. So if I want to increase the size of the text of this line, then I need to select the text and click on this edit text icon. Here I will find the option to increase the text size. So at present it's on 14 pt. I will increase it to 16. You can also change the font if you want. I make it Arial black. Also I want to make this text little bold. So I will select the list of documents and here I will press on bold. Now it has made the list of text bold. So friends, like this you can very easily play around and make your email more attractive. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.